Hello aspiring investors. If you're looking to start trading in the stock market but feeling confused about how to begin, worry not. In this video, we will guide you through the hassle-free process of getting started. So, let's dive right into it. Welcome fellow investors. Today, we'll help you understand how to begin your trading journey seamlessly. Let's start with the basics. What is trading? Trading involves buying and selling securities such as stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities with the aim of generating financial returns. It's an exciting way to potentially grow your wealth. Downloading and installing the trading platform. The first step is to download and install the trading platform. We'll guide you through the process in a separate video to ensure a smooth setup. Navigating the user interface. We'll provide a detailed video dedicated to familiarizing you with the platform's layout, features, and tools. This will help you navigate the trading platform with ease. Once you're comfortable with the platform, it's time to make your initial deposit. Making deposits. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process of depositing funds into your trading account. It's important to understand the available payment options and any associated fees. After your deposit, you'll be ready to take positions and start trading. Placing trades. We'll guide you through different order types, how to analyze market trends and execute trades efficiently. It's crucial to make informed decisions based on your trading strategy. Trading involves monitoring your positions and staying informed. We'll explore the different types of reports available, such as account statements, trade history, and portfolio performance. When it's time to realize your profits or make a withdrawal, we'll guide you through the secure and straightforward process. Making withdrawals. It's important to understand the withdrawal methods, any associated fees, and the time it takes for the funds to reach your account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful trader. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos that will provide in-depth guidance on each step. Happy trading!